What is robotic dexterity? When you think of a robot, you probably imagine a machine welding cars at high speed. It's fast, yes, but it's clumsy. The question is whether that robot can thread a needle or peel a piece of fruit without crushing it. That is where robotic dexterity comes in. Dexterity is a robot's ability to manipulate objects with a skill, precision, and adaptability that approaches that of a human hand. It is the holy grail of robotics, the very thing that separates a mere machine from a true helper. To achieve dexterity, the hardware is crucial. The first component is the end effector, which is essentially the robot's hand. Dexterous robots no longer use simple grippers, but multi-fingered hands that replicate the functionality of human fingers, allowing for precise grasping. Furthermore, dexterity depends on the number of degrees of freedom the arm and hand possess. The more degrees of freedom, the more complex trajectories the robot can trace, much like spinning a tool in its own palm. But skill is not just mechanical, it's intelligence. A dexterous robot must be able to feel and adapt. Therefore, it uses vision, with 2D and 3D cameras to locate, identify, and determine the exact pose of the object. It also uses touch. Force and torque sensors in the wrist or fingers allow it to sense pressure. This is key for the robot to know when to grip hard to lift a heavy object, and when to barely graze a glass bottle or a soft piece of fruit. All of this is processed with advanced software that calculates smooth trajectories and adapts in real time. If the object moves or if its shape is irregular, the robot adjusts its grip instantly. It's important to remember that dexterity is not just precision. Precision is hitting the same point over and over again, but dexterity is adapting that precision to, for example, rotate an object in its hand or open a door it has never seen. This ability is what will unlock the true potential of robotics, enabling complex human tasks such as mixed order picking in a warehouse, automated cooking, or performing delicate surgeries. Dexterity is the machine's next great evolutionary leap.